Hi, I'm Don Hudspeth of the Law Offices of Donald W. Hudspeth. I'd like to talk to you for a moment on the topic, stick to your guns. In 1999 or so, I attended a course in public instruction for lawyers at Harvard Law School called Making the Deal in Organizing or Restructuring Closely Held Enterprise with Professor H. I called the course Doing the Deal. As you might expect, the course was challenging and required a fairly high level of knowledge, work, and deliberation. One assignment in particular, which was more or less the highlight of the course, was to negotiate the purchase and sale of shares in a hypothetical high-technology startup company, which had a good story and trend line of talent, sales, and earnings, but limited financial resources. The data, depending on what you considered important, for example, the trend line could support an argument for a price of $200 per share or a price of $800 per share. Between these extremes, as I recall, was a median price of near $480. My sales price was about $600 per share. Like most of the students, I had worked hard on my calculations and arguments, but I was not sure that they were correct. So in entering the Pound Hall classroom that summer day, I remarked in passing to the professor that I was not sure if my previously mentioned share price number was correct, implying by my words and tone of voice that maybe I had missed something. Professor H seemed just the slightest bit annoyed by my comment and replied to the effect that he thought I should stick with what I had said and have confidence in that. Over the years, I have thought about the good professor's reaction and what he meant by his comment. Was he saying, 1, I think you're closer to being right than some of the others, and we need your answer in class? 2, yes, you could be wrong, but you could be right, we'll see. 3, stand by your analysis and conclusion unless you have an objective reason not to do so, and make sure your hesitancy or change of heart is not due to a subjective cause, like insufficient diligence or confidence. Or 4, truth is uncertain, so in a large part the outcome will depend on what is boldly asserted and soundly maintained. That is a function of the power of advocacy. Professor H never stated his opinion of the correct share price, and I will never know the exact answer, if there is one, to my ruminations about the meaning of his comment. So any or all of the above answers could be what Professor H was trying to tell me. But I think the bottom line is something like this. Truth needs an advocate, and advocacy requires confidence, so unless you have an objective reason not to, stick to your guns. Law students learn this principle in law school. Law is whatever is boldly asserted and plausibly maintained. Aaron Burr. Even if you are wrong, people respect you more for doing so. Thank you.